Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the firmware. Reboot into BIOS/UEFI now and locate Secure Boot and TPM settings. Enable Tpm 2.0, often labeled FTPM or PTT, and set Secure Boot to on. Once done, save and reboot to Windows, then confirm under Windows Security Device Security that TPM is ready. Make sure you created a system restore point first, so you can revert if the platform key or boot entries change. This avoids reinstalling Windows if something goes wrong. Once BIOS shows TPM and Secure Boot enabled, check Windows with msinfo32 to confirm Secure Boot on. If Secure Boot is disabled despite BIOS changes, repair boot configuration with elevated bcdedit commands or use automatic startup repair. If you had custom unsigned drivers, either sign them or restore OEM keys. Otherwise, enroll the platform key in UEFI. Finally, update the motherboard UEFI and chipset drivers to eliminate mismatches between firmware and TPM firmware. Now reinstall Riot Vanguard to ensure it detects the corrected Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 state, reboot twice and then launch Valorant. If Vanguard still errors, inspect Event Viewer and run TPM MSC to read TPM health and check WMI query results for status. As a last resort, clear TPM only if you have keys backed up. Otherwise, restore BIOS defaults and re-enable Secure Boot and TPM to reset platform keys. This sequence resolves the common Secure Boot/TPM blocking errors for Valorant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.